But producing classes, how did they manage this? We have heard mentions about Anai, Anakattu, Tadayanai, water management systems, etc., etc. But then they are not loosely mentioned and not clearly integrated into what exactly is happening. That's a very important. If that is so, it is one of the most important engineering feat that has taken place in there. And this engineering feat is not effortless. And finally, probably the most important thing is that the population itself. As I said, there were migrations taking place. As we know now, whatever be the evidence, there is enough evidence that the migrations were continuous. Overseas migrations, there are people coming in again and again and again from various places. Later we have got people from Edessa or Canaan or Babylon or Persia migrating. Possibly there were people from Gujarat, which we call as Ladas. They are often medicine in here. Lada Vaidyas. Ladas. Lada is the term for Gujarat anyway. Gosais, Komattis, who are Andhras, Banijas, who are basically connected. We have no clear evidence of what exactly, how did they come. Except mythology, which I am not going to know. And also the question of therefore, and we have got a number of migrations from the Red Sea, possibly Abyssinia, Ethiopia, Zanzibar. There are people who are migrating. There are Pathans who are migrating. Persians have already mentioned, integrated the entire population. Like that, across the Ghats you have got migrations. Migrations taking place, particularly a large number of Tamil-speaking population, who are probably spread around places like Palakkad, Malappuram, Idukki, Kollam, Trivandrum. Tamil-speaking population who are migrated. See, they are part of us. But we don't have any clear idea regarding when they migrated, how they migrated, nothing.